so we have Mike asking, what is our opinion on custom 3D printed accessories with a kilt, such as kilt pins, skin doos, etc., for casual wear? So he did make the note of casual wear in this. He's just gotten into kilts and is learning the bagpipes as well. So
cool.
Sure.
Wait, 3D printed bagpipes?
no, he's saying 3D printed, just the accessories.
3D printed kilt pin, I could absolutely see. And you can either paint it or use enameling to kind of highlight certain things. It depends on what material, what kind of what the plastic looks like when it is printed. Does it look gray and matte and dull, or does it look, can you paint it and can you give it a black metallic kind of look or a shiny chromish kind of look? Mm-hmm. So I would say just printing, I would have to continue and do more things with.
Yeah.
The one thing, here's a random thought. The one thing that bothers me about 3D printing is when somebody does a 3D printing of a thing and then leaves it printed without like sanding it.
Oh,
if you have like the lines that you can see or little ridges in the thing that is 3D printed, take some 220 grit sandpaper, just give it a light brush down the side, make it all blend together. It's going to make a world of difference. Please, for the love of God, 3D printers, do a better job. I don't know why I'm attacking 3D printers, but
yeah. Hey, my son's a 3D printer. What the heck are you saying?
Nice. How dare he?
Well, it's in school. It's a class in school, actually.
No, my kid's gonna have that class as well.
Yeah.
But I would say, kilt pins, 100%. Maybe an embellishment for a sporran, sure, have at it.
Mm-hmm.
A buckle, good luck.
Probably won't work.
I would be concerned that it would not, anything that's structural, like the buckle, I would be concerned that it wouldn't hold over time or it would kind of snap because ultimately it is plastic. A cap badge would be fine. A plaid brooch, maybe, but you'd have to get like a big honking pin to glue onto the back of it. Kilt pin, yes, sure, that'd be great. Erik, thoughts?
Same. Basically, I would say be careful about whatever metal pieces you're going to attach the plastic to as your substrate. I mean, any of the things we talked about, you got to have some kind of a mechanical attachment, a pin in most cases. So make sure you have a good quality piece for that. But it sounds like it could be a lot of fun. And if you want to do something as a light touch, or again, getting back to the cosplay thing that we sometimes talk about, if you're trying to do something that's on theme for a special occasion, that could be a blast. But it's not going to stand up to a lot of abuse. You want to make sure that however it's attached to your garment, it's attached well. I guess.
What he was saying, and I think I read in some of the other comments, he was using magnets as the backing for
a pin. Yeah,
for the pins.
Yeah, a lot of people are doing that now.
Yeah. And he did correct me. He did print the pipes. So
that's awesome. That's awesome if they work.
Yeah. Now there's a couple other people saying about using the 3D printing to help to make a resin for casting. For then you can go that way with it. Use it in a different direction.
Good point.
Yep.
Good point, guys.
Yep. No, 3D printing, I would say mark my words, but it's already been marked, and I've been saying it for a long time. 3D printing is changing the casting process, is changing specific industries. It's disrupting the hell out of things. Things that used to take much longer and much more of an investment are shortcutted 1,000-fold by being able to do a three-dimensional model and 3D print an object. Frankly speaking, that's how several kilt pins from some of our manufacturers make theirs, as they make 3D printed molds of stuff. And that is why I kind of went on my little tear about sanding the stuff lightly, because I've gotten kilt pins where they've 3D printed the mold and then it goes over to the master, and then when they cast the thing in the production mold, you still see the little tiny ridges of where the 3D printer went back and forth. And it's like, guys, just take 5 minutes and sand it lightly, and all that goes away and it looks perfect, versus this kind of like weird linear texture to the side of the thing. Yep.
Yeah. No, there's amazing things you can do with resin these days. Casting, home casting stuff. It's amazing.
Agreed.
So, yeah, have fun with it. Why not?
Yeah, absolutely.
My brain went to like, if you did like a Rob Roy style sporran, and you could like 3D print some cool toggles for the ties. Like little gargoyle heads or something.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
Gargoyle heads, specifically gargoyle heads.
Because why not? You know why I said that? Because of Jillian's the key fob she has on her chatelaine. She actually made a little gargoyle face. The back is her key fob for getting into the building, but the front is a clay gargoyle face that she made.
Nice.
It just has it hanging there on her chatelaine. You know, it's very cute.
Nice.
So.
I was gonna say little Nessies on there or something.
There you
Little
go.
Scottish monsters.
Or Haggai.
Yes, indeed. Wild Haggai.
Wild Haggai.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right. Cheers. Hope that helps. Kind of.
Go for it. Send us pictures.
Yes.
If you like how something turns out, by all means, send us a picture.
Yeah. And share it in the group. Go to Facebook. Go to the Kilts and Culture Facebook group and share the photos of all the stuff you're creating.
Yep.
Indeed.
Yep.
If you could 3D print one part of your kilt outfit, what would it be and what would the subject matter be? Let us know in the comments. If you want to support our channel, please go check out our retail store, usakilts.com. Thanks, guys.